So this is the finished driveway, a permeable driveway. It's all laid, it's all cut in. We've got a nice granite edge at the front, all pointed in. The drive looks absolutely fantastic. The good thing about this, as we've said before, how permeable it is, water drains through the blocks, through the sub base, into the soil, is soaked up by the soil, and then it just drains away. Right, so Graham, we did your drive about 3 months ago.
You did.
And it's a permeable drive,
yes.
So the water drains through it.
Yep.
It has rained a lot recently, so what happens with the water?
It just goes down between the joints. It's marvellous.
That's great. The 40mm open grade type 3 is down. As you can see, the water drains all the way through it. We've tested the soil. Water goes all the way through the soil, so it's permeable. So this is 6mm granite. This goes on top of the permeable type 3, so the water drains through this. We level it off, then we lay these Marshall's Tegula Priora blocks, which are specially designed so water goes through the block. You can see when they go down, there's little gaps between them. This is caused by the little nipples that join the blocks together.